Guys, this may seem pretty cool, but I have one of these things. Now what these are, they're like people. They are people with awesome hair. Let me try to style it. Like that. Yeah, that's cool, that's cool. They're flexible. They're stretchable. And these two hands are magnets. These 2 feet are magnets. So you can be like, they magic together. They magic together. Yo, look at that. Look at that, bro. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. So, if it's springy, can you put like on your wrist? Yo, look at that. Oh, damn it. But it was like, yo, it was sick. God's sake. Can feel my This is well cool, the magnet tests. Let's go. Round 1. A posh of some sort. Let's do this. So, will it magnet? Let's try with the lid. Nope. Not magnetic. Round 2. A metal cup. No. Round 3. Like a metal box thing. Yo, this one's magnet. This one's magnet. Look. Watch. Yo, it's a magnet. Yes. What else can we do with it? Oh, look at that. Yo, that is sick. Yo, I'm on top of the world. Yo, but this is sick. Look at that. Yo. This is this one. It's a winner. This one's a winner. Yay. Round 4, torch. Yo, it was a little bit of a magnet. Yeah, boy! Woohoo! Because it's like a cylinder type. Because it's like a cylinder type, it's hard to... And also the magnet's not too strong. But there you go. There you go. Here's monkey. Okay, that one's like half-ish. Anyways, round 5. It is in fact a cylinder thing. Like, you know a bolt, that's what it's called. Is it? No. Round fail. like a little tiny bit of magnet, anyways. Okay, so I've had to change the camera. Sorry if you can't see my face, but okay. This is magnet test 1. Will a radiator be this magnetic man? We shall see. Okay, see if it sticks. Yo, it sticks. So that's amazing. Okay, that's a win. Now, it's like Xbox magnetic. Let's see. So where's my Xbox there? Xbox. Let's try on the top. No. Is it on the side? Nope. Is it on the front? Probably not because of the sticker. Nope. On the back. Nope. Anyways, that was just a bonus round. That guy right next to some bits. Anyways, that was the video done. See ya.